2014 Chevy Silverado LTZ. This bad boy's a 4x4. It's got so many options. Steering wheel control, including voice command. Navigation on a 7.5-inch touchscreen. Seat heating and cooling. Luxurious leather interior in the double cab cabin. Dual power seating. Bose sound system. Pedal adjustments. It's got a nightlight for the bed. Parking assist. Lane departure warning. And this thing. Look at how much space is inside. Bam! Plug in all the things. We've got running board. Whoa! Step up into the bed. Pow! And a tool chest. This bad boy fits a V8 5.3-liter engine. We're running this bad boy 1500 below Kelly Blue Book at 22,914.
Wow, that cheap?
I hear you saying to yourself,
I can't believe it.
you best believe it! This truck and its myriad features won't last long. Give us a call today.